Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Sammy Kings Ajebewan, Nyasoso born Ajebewan. You can see the good work of Minister Elon Paul Chair and his team of elites of Kupe Mwanenguba Division, and with the help of the central government, or better still, the voice from the presidency, things have started happening. Roads have been bulldozed already in some areas. He said we want to link all the roads of Kupe Mwanenguba Division. Kudos. Let their words be in action. Let them do the do. So we pray that what they started should be accomplished. The flying tie should be accomplished in good faith. Should be accomplished in all its purity. Thank you, kudos to Minister Elon Paul Chair and your team for thinking about Bakosi people. Yes, you are the son of the soil, the power behind all this. Love you, sir. Keep it up. We think as Oliver Twist, who always asks for more. Thank you. This and many other things to come. Minister Elon Paul Chair, thank you very much. This is your boy Sammy Kings Ajebewan, Nyasoso born Ajebewan. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Minister Elon Paul.